Upscrolled App. So here's how to install it. Your space without limits, explore, interact, share little moments, chat with friends, be as you are, build for authentic connections. So unlike mainstream platforms, Upscrolled prioritizes real conversation and meaningful interaction. You can just share photos, post high quality short long form videos, use advanced video editing, chat instantly. I don't know how is it different from like Instagram or TikTok, but let's just take a look. It's built by this developer, and then you can just try to create an account. By the way, I don't know yet whether this app is completely legit, but yeah, that's just how you get started. So now I signed up to the app. You needed to enter email and receive verification for code in there, and that's it. There is no need for kind of invite code or kind of referral code. Then you can just see in here, and then you can just see all types of content. All kinds of content. I don't know whether this is like a this is the app. You can see your account. You can also share the invite. So here's my invite code. So here's, for example, what you might see. Oops, it seems it doesn't. Oh, okay. So now you can see download the app and check the profile. And then you can just see it's something like this. Account verification, support, media. And you can edit profile, then you can see notifications, follow requests, then you can just search. See profile, you can follow people. Yeah, so seems, yeah, then you can just like, comment, view all comments, similar to Threads and like Instagram, and then you can just post text, photos, video, and that's basically how you start in here. And then you can just discover, and then you have notifications, and that's about it. They're kind of the app.